Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. And guys, remember the last episode of Izingane Zesthembu when it ended, it showed a snippet of next week's episode, the upcoming episode, and we see a fight that is going to outbreak, and it looks like the fight is between Lwandle and Sne. Now, it looks like, or according to what I heard and saw, I saw Sne basically saying that people are pretending, and it looked like she was coming from below again. Like, you remember that thing that she brought out? Now she decides to bring it out on the trip again. And I'm like, for the what? For the why? I mean, Umpilo gave Usne an opportunity when they were out on a spot date and asked her. And Usne, even though she had the opportunity, she didn't say anything. She only spoke about Zumpilo being a pretender when it was like in her diary session, but face to face, she's never ever explained anything to Umpilo besides that game that they played where she just said Umpilo is the most pretentious and dropped a mic or drops mic and just left it like that. When she was asked to apologize to Mpilo, she refused. So why are you bringing it up by the family trip? Like uthandi drama. That is just liking drama, and you like attention, and quite frankly you want everything to be about you. I mean, already the first argument that broke out on this trip was caused and stirred by Usne. So like, why are you starting all over again? Like, I really don't get it, Usne. And especially if you know what, guys? Like, one thing about me, I can't. I don't say I can't stand, but I don't appreciate older siblings that like stirring drama. Like, it's not an older sibling thing. Maybe if you are the younger sibling, then ingakfanela. But as the older sibling, to me, in my head, you should just be the one who's always trying to bring your siblings together, the peacemaker, because you're the older one amongst them. But with Sneh, it's just like she's continuously trying to fight her siblings, and I don't know, but at this point, like yeah, like it's boring. And then again, we see Snare basically saying that if it was up to me, I wouldn't be related to you. It looks like it was directed at Uluanje, but we don't really know. We're gonna see when the full episode actually plays out of what's what. Listen, Lwandle, guys, is uzithulele most of the time on this whole trip. Lwandle has been trying to stay out of drama. In fact, for the whole Uthando Nesthembu, he tries, you guys, to stay out of drama. He's not the problematic type. So to get Lwandle to get to that point where he's angry and physically fighting, that means you must have really pissed him off. Because Lwandle doesn't seem like the type that will act for TV. He doesn't seem like the type that likes drama to a point where he will act to be angry or act like he's in a fight just for views. He doesn't strike me as that type. He really looked angry, you guys. So there you have it. Usne a snake on this trip. I don't know. I really don't know, but maybe they need to speak to her, even if it's the production that's asking her to do this. She really needs to rethink this, because already she doesn't have a good relationship with her siblings. Why would she still want to take up a role of constant wanting to cause a drift between her and her siblings? I don't get it. I really don't get it. If you claim these people or your siblings don't like you that much, why are you forever ubahlobonoza? Like, for what? Like, just leave them alone. If you believe they don't love you, Pumagibo, live your life. And let them live their life. But don't say people are not for you and people are pretentious, and then you still want to be like the one who's always like Umpilo, guys. Umpilo's unproblematic as well. Why would you come for Umpilo unnecessarily? Like, why? Like, leave Umpilo alone. You had your opportunity to address her. Like, leave her. yo, I ngeke usne, angazi ukuthi usne, like what is it like? What is it that she wants at this point? Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.